Hey, hi, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well. First, I want to thank you that you took a step forward in your life to learn artificial intelligence. So, there is a major problem in our society, that is, people are believing everything what content creators are saying about artificial intelligence. If I say artificial intelligence will kill the future, then the people are believing that artificial intelligence is danger. If some content creators are saying that artificial intelligence is a very good thing for future, the people are believing that artificial intelligence is a good thing for future. So my aim with this course is to give a brief introduction to artificial intelligence and to give a clear cut understanding on artificial intelligence. So now I am promising you that after watching this course you are going to get a brief knowledge about artificial intelligence and a clear cut understanding about what is artificial intelligence and how it will affect on our future. And you are also going to learn about machine learning, deep learning and so many concepts in artificial intelligence in this one course. And also, after watching this course, you are going to start your career in artificial intelligence learning. And so now I want to tell you something, that is, this course is not like other courses which are on the market. So the other courses will be like boring, they are only focused on the topic. But this course is something special because in this course you are going to learn about topic along with fun and some cool jokes. And also this course is made with some cool edits. By watching the other courses in the market, you will get bored, right? But by watching this course till the end, you will not get bored because there is so much fun in this course. But, wait a second. Who am I to tell all this to you? So, my name is Anasi Akash and I am a 15-year-old boy from India who loves to code and who is very interested about latest technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and so many other latest technologies. And I want to educate people about these latest technologies because the future is of these latest technologies. So if you learn these latest technologies now, you can be ready for the future and you can live a good life in future. So my aim is to educate people about these latest technologies now. But why only latest technologies like AI, Web3 and others? Because these latest technologies are going to rule the future, are going to change the future. The technologies that we are using like HTML, CSS and other programming languages or other technologies are going to die in future. The future is all about AI and Web3. To be strong in future, you have to learn about these technologies right now. So I think all the introduction is over. So let's get into the war. Let's get into the topic. But before getting into the war, let's do a pledge about this course. I am your name. Man, your name. Going to learn about introduction of artificial intelligence. I am sure that I will rock the future. I am going to change the future and I am going to settle in my life. So do this pledge yourself and let's get into the war. So okay, we are in the war. So now let's start. As I told before to you, in our society, everyone is believing what other people are telling about artificial intelligence. If someone said that artificial intelligence is danger to future, they are believing that artificial intelligence is a dangerous thing. But someone will say artificial intelligence is a good thing for our future, then they are believing that it is a good thing. But they are don't making their own decision about artificial intelligence and also they don't have a clear cut own decision of them on artificial intelligence and latest technologies. So by the end of this course, you can make your own decision about artificial intelligence. So now we are going to discuss about the 25 core topics in artificial intelligence which are very important about the introduction of artificial intelligence and other technologies like machine learning, deep learning and all other technologies. So we are going to discuss one by one and at the end of the video we are going to cover these 25 topics clearly and you can also make your own decision about artificial intelligence. So let's talk about the topic number 1, that is, what is artificial intelligence? If you ask the same question for somebody, someone will say that artificial intelligence is an intelligence that is designed to think like a human, and somebody will say artificial intelligence is an intelligence that is created to replace humans. The both answers are really correct, but in real, artificial intelligence means it is a intelligence technology that is created to think like a human and to do works which are done by humans in these days. So that means it is a technology which is artificial. So humans are natural because we are produced by our mother and father from nature. But this artificial intelligence technology is artificial. That means it is not from our nature. And it is a intelligence. That means in the total world, the humans are have intelligence to think, the power to think. So this artificial intelligence technology will also have the power to think on themselves. That means we can take our own decisions like walking, running, and we have emotions. We take so many decisions daily. So if robots are also do the same things which a human will do, that technology is called artificial intelligence. Simply, artificial intelligence is also a human, but it is a robot and it is artificial. It is not natural. So that's okay. Artificial intelligence means another human. But the problem here is artificial intelligence is more powerful than human. So to understand this topic, let's see an example. A human will do a math sum in one day, which is very hard. Then artificial intelligence will do that sum in 1 hour. But why? Because artificial intelligence technology is trained from internet. That means in internet we have all the details about all topics. So but humans will not have that much power to do that sum in 1 hour. So if artificial intelligence wants to do that sum, then it first of all will check the details of that sum in the internet. If it finds the answer, it will tell the answer. If it not finds the answer, it will searches the topic of that sum like addition, subtraction, and collects all the details about that sum, and it will do the sum. Human will not answer that sum in that much less time because humans have only one brain and we can't access internet with our brain. So that's why artificial intelligence is more powerful than human. And also the main thing here is artificial intelligence can make their own decisions within milliseconds. So that means if there is a problem behind us, we will think about it for 5 or 10 minutes and take the decision. But artificial intelligence will not think that much time. So in this case, artificial intelligence will not think about emotions, but we think about emotions. So if artificial intelligence robot make a wrong decision, it will definitely show an impact for us. So to understand this, let's see another example that if there is a accident happened behind, then you will definitely think about it and call 108. But the artificial intelligence don't have emotions. So that's why artificial intelligence will see that accident and it will not waste its time to think about it because it doesn't have any emotions like human, right? So this is about artificial intelligence. Simply a intelligence which is artificial not natural, can think more than human is called as artificial intelligence. It is more powerful than human. It can make its own decisions. So I hope you understand it about it. Let's run into the next topic. That is, what is the history of artificial intelligence? Who created artificial intelligence and why? So we are not social students to learn history, but we have to learn it because it's very interesting and it will also help you in your career. So in 1952, two friends, also computer scientists, got an idea that if a robot will do math sums without the use of human. So they started working on that program, and in 1956 the two scientists Alan Newell and Herbert A created a computer program which can prove 38 mathematical theorems in just 1 hour. Isn't that amazing? In that time, in the year of 1956, they both created a intelligence which can prove 38 most heartful math theorems in just 1 hour. A mathematician will also not do that, but in 1956 year, two scientists created a program to do that. That is the birth of artificial intelligence. After so many years, from 2010, the artificial intelligence got a popularity and so many new industries, so many new apps and websites are using artificial intelligence in their interface. So many companies are emerged with the artificial intelligence technology, and this artificial intelligence technology is giving employment for so many people. So this is the history of artificial intelligence. I'm not going deep into the history because we don't need to learn the history. We just want to know who are the founders and why it is created. So with this, I have completed the reason for the war. That means the reason for the artificial intelligence. So now let's get into our third topic, that is how artificial intelligence is helping people right now. That means at present how artificial intelligence is helping you and me. So let's know about it. So in these days we all think artificial intelligence is not related to me. I am not related to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will not help me. But you are wrong, because at present also artificial intelligence is helping you, me, and all the people around the world by so many industries. So let's take an example. I think you are using YouTube, right? You will watch so many videos according to your interest, right? But when you thought that how YouTube will give the right videos for you, that means if you have a lots of interest about programming, then in the suggested feed YouTube will only give videos about the programming only. Have you thought about it? And why is this occurring? This is because YouTube algorithm is using artificial intelligence. That's why artificial intelligence algorithm is collecting your data and finds your interest, and it will suggest you some videos about programming, and if you liked it, then as we all know that the YouTube will show more videos about programming. So that means you are also using artificial intelligence. You, me, and all are using artificial intelligence in so many ways, like hospital industry, educational sector, and in recent times we are seeing AI chatbots that is made up of artificial intelligence. So with that, you can chat with artificial intelligence robot and you can solve your queries about that website. In this case also you are using artificial intelligence, and in so many ways artificial intelligence is helping people. So with this I can conclude that we are using artificial intelligence at present time also in so many industries in so many ways, but we don't know exactly what the technology is. So please understand, the usage of artificial intelligence in future is huge. So please keep it in your mind and learn artificial intelligence from now, because if you learn artificial intelligence from now, you are going to be strong in your future and you are going to kill the future, because the future is all about artificial intelligence. So without any late, let's get into our fourth topic, that is how will be the usage of artificial intelligence in future. So till now we discussed about how the usage of artificial intelligence at present life, but how is the usage of artificial intelligence in future? Let's discuss about it now. So simply to talk about it, I will just say the future is all about artificial intelligence. Yes, the future is all about artificial intelligence, because if you see any sector, whether it may be physical sector or software sector or health sector or educational sector, all sectors are replacing human with artificial intelligence robots. Because of so many reasons, like artificial intelligence can work more than human. Artificial intelligence will don't need any salary like human. Artificial intelligence will not have any emotions like human. Artificial intelligence will work nicely more than human. So because of so many reasons, all the sectors in this world are replacing human with artificial intelligence. And also, as per so many researches and as per so many reports, by the 2050 or by the 2035, so many people are going to lose their jobs and going to be unemployed. In the place of that jobs, artificial intelligence is going to replace that jobs. So this is a dangerous situation for us all, but I am not telling that artificial intelligence is dangerous, but there may be chances that artificial intelligence will replace human. So think about your future right now. And coming to the point, the usage of artificial intelligence is going to be huge in future, and every sector is going to use artificial intelligence, from very small companies to big companies. So in the recent times, so many big companies like Amazon, Google, Flipkart, IBM and so many companies are using artificial intelligence and are hiring artificial intelligence developers. And also, every year artificial intelligence developers pay scale is increasing. That means artificial intelligence is becoming so much popular and every sector is replacing human with artificial intelligence. So it is not a comedy situation. It is a critical situation for us all. So we have to focus on our skills and we have to focus on artificial intelligence and we have to master the all skills which are required for the future. So let's get into the fifth topic. That is why artificial intelligence is so much powerful than human and simply why artificial intelligence so much smart than human. So this is an important topic about artificial intelligence introduction. Listen it carefully. Artificial intelligence will use the help of internet to do anything, but human will take the help of only one brain. That is, in the internet there are so much information, there is so much information about all the topics in this world in so many languages, like you can get information about any topic in any language in any type, like you can get in text form or you can get in video form or you can get in image form. Like there is so much information in the internet. So if you use the total information, then you are called as an artificial intelligence robot. But we don't know how to access internet with our brain. We only use the help of brain to do anything. That's why we can only take 5 or 6 decisions in a minute. But artificial intelligence can take more than 1000 decisions in a minute. So because the artificial intelligence uses the internet to do anything, that's why artificial intelligence robots are more powerful and more smart than human. We only have a brain, but artificial intelligence have the internet. That means so many brains of this world. So this is the reason why artificial intelligence is so much powerful than human. And now, without any late, let's jump into our sixth topic. That is how artificial intelligence work. So we know that artificial intelligence will work by using the internet, but what is the process of a artificial intelligence robot to work on any topic? So artificial intelligence will work by using data and algorithms. Simply to say, data and algorithms are the basic unit of life of artificial intelligence. Without data, artificial intelligence is nothing. But how do artificial intelligence will get this data from? This artificial intelligence will get the data from internet. As I told before, it will work by the help of internet, right? So what is algorithm and data here? So data means, to understand data, let's see an example. So if you opened a website and you signed up for that website, for that you have to give your name, email, phone number and some other details like your hobbies or your skills. So by giving these details, you can sign up for that website. But in the back side, these total data will be stored in a database. So data will be stored in a database. So by this data, artificial intelligence will see this data and make a opinion on you. That means if you give your hobbies related to cricket only, that means artificial intelligence will make a opinion on you that you love cricket and you need products related to cricket and you need all things related to cricket. So this is data which you give to some websites, apps or anything it may be. So this is data. Data means your personal or private information. So okay, data means our information. But what is algorithm here? So algorithm means that is a set of instructions to do a work. So for example, you have to write a HTML document on any topic. For that, you have a set of instructions to write that HTML document. Like you want to first add HTML tags and then you have to add head tag and then you have to add title tag and so much instructions to create a HTML document. And all the works in this world needs a set of instructions to do it in a right way. Like playing cricket or eating, you have to first mix the curry and rice and then you have to eat. So to do any work in this world, you need a set of instructions. So that is a algorithm. These algorithms are made by humans for artificial intelligence. So a human will tell artificial intelligence to walk from here by lifting his legs. Like first of all you have to lift right leg and then left leg and put it back on down and then another leg on down. So this is a set of instructions and this is called as a algorithm. Every artificial intelligence robot will need algorithms to work. Without algorithms, artificial intelligence will not do anything with data. So as I told before, artificial intelligence will make an opinion on you by using data, right? So to do that also, it will need a algorithm to classify that data, and to make an opinion on you, it will need a set of instructions to make an opinion on you. So artificial intelligence will work with data and algorithms. I hope you understand well. So let's now move into the seventh topic, that is top platforms that are using artificial intelligence. So I think we have discussed about this in the previous topics, right? Yes, I am talking about the platforms like Google, Amazon, Flipkart, IBM company, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and so many platforms that they are using artificial intelligence to acquire users and to give a best user experience. So I will show a slide for you. These are the top big companies which are using artificial intelligence right now, and these are the top apps which are using artificial intelligence at present life. So now this is a small topic. Let's move into our next topic, which is our eighth topic, that is AI means only robots or anything else. So this is the biggest query, this is the biggest question that will blow in all minds. So many people will think that artificial intelligence means only robots, and somebody think that artificial intelligence means something else. So artificial intelligence means it is only intelligence. You can use it in robots, in apps, in websites, in chatbots, in so many platforms, in machines, and in so many platforms. So artificial intelligence is not only for robots and it's not only for apps, it's for all. Just to say that artificial intelligence is an intelligence. We can use it in any platform. So that means, to understand this, let's say an example. Let's take an example of salt. Salt is like artificial intelligence. You can use salt in any curry. Likewise, you can use artificial intelligence in any platform, in any website, in any app, and you can also use it in machines also. You can create robots and you can create whatever you want with artificial intelligence. So I want to conclude that artificial intelligence is not only meant that artificial intelligence is not only for robots, but it's also for everything you want. So now let's move into our ninth topic, which is like a sword. Hey man, we are in the war right now. So here sword means this is the main topic. Understand well. So our eighth topic is why artificial intelligence is becoming so popular in the recent times. From 2010 it became so popular. But in the past, when AI was created, it was not that much popular right now. But why? Because we all know that artificial intelligence is a superb technology in any time, in any year. But why it is becoming so popular right now? So let's discuss about it. Let's discuss about that sword now. So we all know that artificial intelligence is created in the year 1956, but it became popular from 2010. So the reason for this is, in 1900s, artificial intelligence doesn't have that much data that it have today. So I want to tell you that Web 2.0 was launched in 2004. So in Web 2.0, we can interact with websites and we can give our data to websites. Like in 2004, Facebook was launched. From then, Facebook was collecting so much people's data. So with this data, artificial intelligence became so much smart from 2010. So many apps which will collect data are launched after 2000. In between 1950 and 2000, there were no apps and websites which will collect data from users. But after 2000, websites and apps started collecting data from users. So this data helped artificial intelligence to become so much popular. So this is the reason. The reason is artificial intelligence requires data. In between 1950 and 2000, the artificial intelligence doesn't have that much data that it requires. But after 2000, so many websites and apps came which will collect data, and they collected data, and they, with that data, artificial intelligence becomes so much popular. And also, in between 1950 and 2000, there were no better algorithms for artificial intelligence. But after 2000, so much people became educated, and so much people started working in software industry, and they created so many algorithms that will help artificial intelligence. So this is the reason why artificial intelligence became so much popular after 2010, but not after 1956, when the birth of artificial intelligence. So now I think you understood. I think you have understand about the SWOT, which is the main topic about artificial intelligence. So now let's get into the other top. Let's get into the 10th topic, which is the shield. I mean, it is also important topic. That is, Agure, what are machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence? What are machine learning and deep learning? Is machine learning and artificial intelligence same? So this is the biggest doubt that is running in all tech minds. So everyone is believing that artificial intelligence and machine learning are same, and nobody is thinking about what is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning, and nobody is thinking about how these three are different. So let's discuss about these three topics now. So artificial intelligence. So simply to say, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are different. Artificial intelligence is like the mother of these technologies. So to understand this, let's take the example of a family. If there is a family, mother and father are artificial intelligence. From mother and father, the both childs came. A child is came. The child name is machine learning, and from that child another child is came. After some years, from that child another child is came. That child name is deep learning. So deep learning is a sub-technology. Deep learning is a sub-technology of machine learning. That means from machine learning, deep learning is came, and both deep learning and machine learning are the sub-technology of artificial intelligence. That means from artificial intelligence, these both technologies are came. So this means artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are different. And so now let's jump into the 11th topic, that is very important in this course. That is, what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, and what are exactly these technologies. So let's jump into our 11th topic. So now let's jump into our 11th topic. So yeah, now let's discuss about what is machine learning and what is deep learning, and what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So machine learning and deep learning are a subset of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence means imitating human in an artificial manner is called artificial intelligence. That means doing all works which a human do is called by a robot is called artificial intelligence. And machine learning means doing a specific one work in a specific manner, but doing a specific work, doing only one work, doing only a specific work is called machine learning. So to understand this, let's see an example of our lovely pet app, cat identifier app. So we see so many apps and robots which identify cats. So if you give, to create that type of apps and robots, you have to give so many cat pics in so many angles, and you have to train that app to identify a cat. So with that images and with that angles of cat photos, that app, that robot or app can identify any type of angle, any type of cat in any type of angles, and any cat in this world. So with this we can so with this the cat can identify any cat. But if you show a dog to that app, it will not identify and it will show a error to you, because we only trained that app to identify cats. That means it will not identify any dog in this world. So that's why it is showing an error to us. But if you show any cat in this world, any critical cat, it will definitely identify, because it is trained on a specific topic. It is trained on a specific topic. This is machine learning. The difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning is artificial intelligence is trained on all topics. That means it can do all works. But machine learning is focused on one topic. That means it can do only one work, but it will give its 100% it will give its 100% result for that work. So if you want any one, so with this I can conclude that the technological devices which we are using in our home, they are all made up of machine learning, not artificial intelligence, because they are built only to do one work. But if they are built for all works, they can do all works like a robot. So this is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. So now, what is deep learning here? We all know that deep learning is a subset of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So deep learning means doing a specific work, but by using the human brain, not by using the real human brain, but the same process. So this is called deep learning. In the sentence or in the word also we can see deep. That means it will do a work like a human. So this is deep learning. The examples of deep learning are Google Translate. That means if we see a web page on Google and if we want to see it in our own language, if we click the translate button in Google, it will translate the page into our specific language. It is because of deep learning. The Google uses deep learning. So that means that Google Translate is thinking like a human. It is deep learning. So I hope you got the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So now let's jump into our 12th topic, which is, so I think we have completed our 11th topic and also 12th and 13th topic, because we also discussed about what is machine learning, our 12th topic, and what is deep learning, our 13th topic. So now without any late, let's jump into our 14th topic, which is very interesting and which is very interesting. So now let's go. Who are the supporters and defeaters of artificial intelligence? We see so many videos, so many statuses in the internet that will show some persons are supporters of artificial intelligence and some persons are defeaters of artificial intelligence. So we all know that our Elon Musk. Who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk is the richest person in the world, is a defeater of artificial intelligence. In an interview, he told that artificial intelligence is very dangerous to humankind, and if it will think on its own, then it will definitely kill human. So with this we can conclude that Elon Musk is the defeater of artificial intelligence. And also there are some supporters for artificial intelligence like Sundar Pichai and others. The reason I told some defeaters and supporters of artificial intelligence is that you have to know who are the supporters and defeaters of artificial intelligence in the software market. So now let's jump into our 15th topic. difference between artificial intelligence robot and machine learning robot. So in the recent times we are seeing so many ads and so many companies are launching their new products with a tagline, this product is made by artificial intelligence and this product is made by machine learning. So but if there are two same products, if there are two same products and their taglines are different, one is with artificial intelligence and one is with machine learning, then what is the difference between those two products? So if there are two robots, one is artificial intelligence robot and second one is machine learning robot, these two are robots and these two will come under the artificial intelligence technology. But artificial intelligence robot will do a work, the same work will be done by the other robot which is created by machine learning. But this artificial intelligence robot can also do other works, but this machine learning robot will not do other works like this artificial intelligence robot. So as we discussed earlier in this course about the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning, we discussed that this machine learning is focused on one work, but this artificial intelligence also focused on one work, but it can also, but through internet it can also do other works like human. So that means this machine learning robot will do a specific work and it will give 100% result, but this AI robot will also do that work, but there may be chances that this AI robot will give only 99% result, but this AI robot will do all other works, but this ML robot, this machine learning robot will not do all works like artificial intelligence robot. I hope you got a clear cut difference between these two robots and these two products.